In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own business website using Wix. Wix is an incredibly versatile platform that allows you to build a website tailored to your preferences, even if you're not tech savvy. It's simple, user-friendly, and will guide you through each step of the process. First things first, we'll head over to wix.com. Once there, you'll spot a Get Started button prominently on the home page. Clicking this will prompt you to sign up for an account. If you're new to Wix, you'll need to provide some basic information to get started. If you already have an account, simply log in and you're good to go. Once you've signed up or logged in, Wix will ask you a few questions about the type of website you want to create. For this tutorial, we'll opt for a business website, which is a popular choice among users looking to establish an online presence for their enterprise. By answering these initial questions, you'll help Wix better understand your needs and streamline the design process to suit your specific goals. As you work through these questions, you'll ultimately find yourself on your new dashboard. Consider this your command center, where you can easily manage and customize your website. You'll notice Wix provides a handy list of steps right on your dashboard, aimed at ensuring your site setup is not only complete, but also successful. You have the option to follow these precise guidelines or dive straight into designing your site. Speaking of design, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard, and you'll see a button labeled Design Site. Click on this, and you'll be presented with two excellent choices: picking a template or letting AI generate a design for you. Since we're going through the process step by step, we'll select the template option. Exploring the template gallery, you'll discover an extensive selection of visually appealing and sophisticated templates to match the nature of your business. This is your moment to truly personalize your website, so feel free to click View on any of the templates for a closer look before making your decision. Once you've settled on a template that aligns with your vision, click Edit, and the real fun begins, customizing your website to reflect your brand identity and business goals. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your chosen template, loading the editing interface might take a little while, so be patient. After tailoring your site to perfection, you're ready to share it with the world. Simply click Publish, and Wix will provide you with a URL for your new website. Bear in mind that this will be a Wix domain by default. If you're interested in setting up a custom domain, be sure to check out our other videos for a step-by-step guide on how to do just that. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have a functional, visually stunning business website ready to captivate your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.